Hi friends, my name is Gull. Today let's talk about a really interesting and important topic. The topic is keeping our earth clean. But wait, let's understand how we make our earth dirty with the trash. Have you ever seen garbage and plastic choppers flying in the air? Yeah, they're flying because people don't care about the earth and they throw trash. So that is why our earth's so dirty. And what is the meaning of pollution? Chemicals, smokes, and garbage. But can you see this triangle which I made? In this triangle, the sides which you can see, left and right, they are showing smoke and chemicals are on one side and garbage on this side. Now, let's jump into our rocket and understand about the 5 super easy steps. The first step is that use the bin. What is a bin? A bin is a container where we throw out all trash so the room, parks, grounds can stay clean. For example, you are eating an ice cream. And instead of throwing the wrapper away, you can go to the nearest bin ever and throw it there. So, did you learn that we should use the trash bin? The second step is recycle. What is recycling? Recycling is old things are turned into new things. For example, you are drinking a juice bottle. Instead of throwing the juice bottle away, you can put it in a recycling trash bin, where it has given you gesture of green color. The bin is whole green and it is giving you one shape, triangle. That is telling that it will do the thing later recycle. The step 3 is say no to plastic bags. Why we should say no to plastic bags? Plastic bags never get broken. For example, you throw a paper in the sea, it will totally sink and broken in pieces. The plastic bags never get broken. If it takes hundreds of years, it will not get broken. Even we try to tear off, it takes really efforts to tear it off. So that is why sea turtles and birds are dying of the plastic bags. Real life example is, for example, with your parents, you are going to the supermarket. Instead of taking the plastic bag, you can grab a cloth bag, a reusable bag of cloth. Fourth step is cleanup challenge. What is a cleanup challenge? A cleanup challenge is with your friends. You do activities, but who will pick up the most trash will get this. This is called the activity and it makes us active. Fifth step is save water and food. Why we should save water and food? That is why they save water, because we wash, we drink, we grow plants. With that is why we need water. And food is needed for making us healthy and strong. And if we waste food, it will take us efforts to grow your plants and then make the food. So some people don't have clean water and food. Why they don't have? Because they waste. This is all how we have to keep our earth clean. And do you want to be the earth's superhero? Tell me in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Bye!